Pleasant afternoons. That's been a pretty good close to the weekend and start to the work week here in the valley, but we do have changes. We do have one more real nice warm day before those changes take hold though, and we are still enjoying 70 degrees out at Moorheads Airport. Hector, the reading on the thermometer says 69, wind south 15 miles per hour, the air pretty dry, humidity 26%, and that means we usually cool off pretty quickly when the air is that dry. We'll talk a little bit more about why we won't get so cold tonight though, with comparison to what we saw early in the weekend. 69 in Grand Forks as well, wind gusting to 25 miles per hour. Here's a look at the temperature spread across the region. Brainerd 65, mid 60s, spread from the Bemidji area right into Thief River Falls. Still 72 in Devils Lake, 71 in the James River Valley. We have mid 70s in the Central Dakotas, and a look across the region. The 80s are punching into parts of southern South Dakota with Mitchell and the Corn Maze, and about 82 degrees there. Here's a look at a couple of clouds. That's all that's showing up on the satellite, and your hour-by-hour forecast shows the south wind as we head through the evening will persist. Now the blue arrows show areas where that wind will be 15 to 25 miles per hour. Notice fewer arrows out to the west, so less wind there, but a little bit more from the south right here. Because we have wind stirring the atmosphere, temperatures are not going to fall too much overnight. Pretty steady will be those temperatures, near 45 to 50 degrees for most. So we'll call it mild overnight. Some clouds building in, and in the pre-dawn hours, say between 3 and 5 a.m., anywhere from Lakes Country, Becker and Otter Tail County, and points east, we could have a renegade shower during the overnight hours. They're going to be hit and miss at best. Morning temperatures will be near 50, maybe 55, where we do have the clouds and the shower chances that will be heading toward the cities. Starting our day with a breeze from the south at 15 miles per hour, and it will be warm again. The wind starts to increase with the approach of a cold front out to the west. You can clearly see where that cold front is kicking off clouds and even some showers. And look at the wind. We're going to notice a big gusty wind shift as this cold front pushes its way through the eastern third of North Dakota. From midday, the coldest, cloudiest weather will punch in our westernmost counties. Notice that it moves through the Red River Valley with gusty winds from the west and northwest, 30 to 40 miles per hour where you see these green arrows. So we could see a few spotty showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder as this thing works its way through. Notice during the dinner hour and, well, after school, that's when it moves through the Red River Valley in western Minnesota, and then quickly continues off. The wind, though, stays. The direction will be northwesterly, and we're going to usher in some cooler air with evening temperatures dropping from the 60s and 70s into the 40s for your evening tomorrow. In Fargo, a 49-degree start to the day. Temperatures warm into the mid-70s. It will be windy from the south for the day at 15 to 25 miles per hour. So not horribly windy, but you will notice that wind shifting in the evening hours with some gusts over 40 miles per hour possible. Temperatures in a snapshot of your hometown forecast show the warmest weather south and east, 70s there, but the cooler air will be punching into our northwestern counties with a chance for passing showers. Glenn sharing this harvest photo here. Sugar beets getting underway. It's that time of year again. Planning forecast, okay, only 50s for Wednesday. And we cannot rule out some mixed precipitation. The best chance for any of this flaky nonsense will be in northern Minnesota. Look at the temperatures though. Morning below freezing. Friday, it looks pretty quiet. It does look like a better chance for a few more widespread flakes of snow. Will it be measurable? Maybe a little bit, a tenth of an inch is measurable when it comes to snowfall measuring. So we may have a few communities that get measurable snow as we go between now and the weekend.
All right, good to know. Hutch, take a look at this. 3 years ago today, the weather looked a lot different.
Oh,
look at that, it's Devil's Lake. It was rocked by Winter Storm Aubrey. Valley News Team's Courtney Lucky was stranded for 4 days. She got to town on a Thursday, just as the snow started to fall. By Friday night, the storm dumped more than 3 feet of snow, with drifts up to 5 feet tall. Devil's Lake completely shut down. In fact, things were so bad, police only responded to life or death calls on 2 snowmobiles that people in town let them borrow.
That's a memorable event in October.
Yeah, all right, thanks, Hutch. Well, with today being World Mental Health Day, next we'll tell you what experts are saying to look for in your own mental health.